No, it's not. I did when I talked to Austin. Not Dodge. So, now I'm eating pudding. Yeah. That's why they're string. What did it say? What is it? Jack. It's Jack. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat pudding and at the same time. Maybe. I'm dizzy. I need shoes. It's like gripping. You know what? Who wants to watch me fall on my face?
Yes, it is. Did I say you can message me?
Yeah.
Oh crap! I wonder if Grandma's picture would come back.
I got an idea. How do you think this is gonna work?
I got pudding on my chin. Awesome. You don't like it?
Yeah. I dropped my pudding. I look like shit in a cup. Hey, paper towels. Paper towels. How convenient. I think that's pretty funny.
I'm all, Jackie said, what? I'm all, you scared the hell out of me.
Oh, there's pudding all over my scooter. There's pudding all over the scooter. Well, I guess that's it. Kimberly, how should I end this video?
Put it in the freezer.
Well, you have to get your fat ass off the freezer first.
But my fat ass is comfortable.
Move. You're gonna go in the freezer. Gonna go in the freezer. Yeah.